Dun 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 dun. Yes, I am hugging our Baby Brezza. Do you know why? Because this is our top baby product. And yes, the dog is barking. Anyone else yell at their dogs like this?
Hey, you are gonna wake up the baby.
The Baby Brezza is our absolute favorite baby product. We love this thing. Number one, it retails on Amazon for $2.99. We have the Baby Brezza Formula Pro Advanced. Highly recommend. Buy it. Put it on your baby registry. Put it on your wedding registry. Put it on whatever.
The limit does not exist. The limit does not exist.
This is the number one thing that you should have in your household. This sits right next to our espresso machine.
Which is probably just as important.
If you're on the fence about this product because you're just not sure about the cost, or you're not really sure, is it worth it? It is, trust me. The convenience factor alone when you're making a bottle in the middle of the night is so important.
Totally deprived of one's sleep.
If I can really give you a good description of what this product is, it's a Keurig for baby formula. Follow the instructions for the setup. Check out my Baby Brezza tutorial. I have a breakdown video if you are just unboxing a Baby Brezza for the first time and you need to figure out how to put it together, or if you need to figure out how to take everything apart and clean it and wash all of the parts and pieces. I've got the perfect video for you, so go check it out. A couple reasons why I absolutely love the Baby Brezza is the conveniency factor. In the middle of the night, having to make it a bottle, or even just in the middle of the day when you need to get a bottle ready as fast as possible. Run! All you have to do is push a button and the bottle is made for you and it's ready to go. It's warm, it's the perfect temperature, it is the exact ounces that you're looking for because you can adjust all of that on the LCD display. The bottle is perfectly mixed together, so there's no shaking the bottle. It's ready to go. It's just a wonderful convenience factor. This is the perfect product for you if you have a formula-fed baby or if you are supplementing with formula. I chose not to breastfeed. Yeah, I'm saying that with a straight look on my face without any shame.
I said what I said!
If you're actually interested in all the reasons why I genuinely decided that breastfeeding was not going to be the best decision for me and my family, and I'll consider making a video about that in the future. I'm not going to dive into all of the nitty-gritty details specifically about the product and how it works and how it functions. If you're interested in that, definitely check out my other video on my Baby Brezza breakdown. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to shoot me a message in the comments section below, and I will do my best to answer that for you. This video is included in a playlist of all of my top baby products, so be sure to check that out too. See you next time. I love this thing.